Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We did it! We finally reached 500 subscribers and couldn't thank you enough for your support that you've shown the channel over the past couple of months. To show our appreciation, we're going to do a giveaway of sorts at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Today we're going to be looking at the 4 functions of money. Anything can be used as money, whether it be cookies, seashells, bottle caps, or fiat dollars. However, whatever you're using, it must serve all 4 functions of money. It must act as a medium of exchange, serve as a unit of account, serve as a store of value, and it must also offer a standard of deferred payment. With that said, let's get into things. Let's start with the basics. In an earlier video, we defined money as an asset that people are generally willing to accept in exchange for goods and services or for payments of debt. And an asset is anything of value owned by a person or firm. Now we are introducing the concept that money can be anything as long as it serves all 4 key functions of money. It must act as a medium of exchange, serve as a unit of account, a store of value, and it must offer a standard of deferred payment. To function as a medium of exchange, sellers must be willing to accept it in exchange for goods or services. An economy is more efficient when a single good is recognized as a medium of exchange, which is why most nations have introduced their own fiat currencies. Again, if you need a recap on what fiat currency is, check out our other video. This is why when we go to the grocery store, the clerk must accept your $5 bill as a form of payment, assuming of course that it isn't counterfeit. Second, money must offer a unit of account. In a barter or trade system, each good has many prices. For example, 1 cow may be worth 2 plows, or 25 bushels of wheat, or 6 hammers. When using one good as money, each good has a single price. This enables you to evaluate the worth of all goods in a single unit, and in our case that would be Canadian dollars. So anything that we'd like to purchase, we could purchase in Canadian dollars. Next, money must offer a store of value. Money allows people to easily store value. That is, it's non-perishable, and therefore any money that you do not use now, you can just use later. Imagine trying to store cows or apples as a form of money. They wouldn't last very long in comparison as they're perishable and therefore deteriorate over time, both decreasing their physical structure and their inherent value. Let's be honest, nobody's going to accept your 3-week-old moldy apple as a form of payment, but they will accept your 3-week-old $5 bill. See what I'm getting at? Lastly, money must offer a standard of deferred payment. While this may sound a little complicated, it simply means that you can make payments over time with money, or borrow or lend money with agreed upon terms. So that, for example, $100 is equal to 2 payments of $50, or 5 payments of $20, or 10 payments of $10, etc. So there you have it. Now you know the 4 key functions of money in the economy. It must act as a medium of exchange, serve as a unit of account, serve as a store of value, and offer a standard of deferred payment. So by now you're probably wondering about that giveaway. Well, one random subscriber who has liked and commented on this particular video will receive an hour of free one-on-one tutoring for their math, business, or economics class. This can be done either live if you are from a local region in Canada or over a medium such as Skype, FaceTime, or Zoom. The only stipulation is that the tutoring must be done in either English or French to ensure the quality of translation in economic terminology. As the second round of university and college midterms approach, this could be an absolute game changer in your GPA. Once again, all you need to do to enter this giveaway is comment on the video, like the video, and of course be an active subscriber. We're really looking forward to helping someone out with some one-on-one tutoring. And as usual, if you liked the video and are excited to see more, let us know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and comment what sort of economic topics you'd like to see us cover in the future. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next.